Hello viewers, hope you are all doing well. Without any hacks or without making any changes to your links or without modifying your URL with display_polymer equal to true, there is an easy way to add all your videos in a playlist to watch later in one single click. Curious to learn? Let's do it. Follow me. First step, check there is no video in your watch later. Next step, paste your playlist as it is and wait for the playlist to show up on the screen. Now play your playlist. In the right hand side you will see the other videos, right? Click one of the video and click that video into Add to Queue as I am doing. Now you may watch the change in the name of the playlist as queue. Are you seeing it? Very simple. Save the queue. Now go to watch later and see, tada! All your videos in the playlist are under watch later now. Now you may gently remove the unwanted video and get ready to play your list after some time by clicking on the watch later. Are you happy now? Thank you.